Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete YouTube channel permanently from your mobile device. So if you also want to delete YouTube channel permanently from your mobile device, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a YouTube application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see your profile over here. Also, you'll be able to find several options like switch account, Google account, etc. Simply tap on the option Google account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the Google account interface. You'll be able to see your Google account over here. You'll be able to find the options like home, personal info, data and privacy, security, etc. Simply tap on the option data and privacy. Now you'll be able to find the options for data and privacy over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for download or delete your data. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for delete a Google service. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to delete a Google service. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for YouTube. Once you find the option for YouTube, right next to it, you'll be able to find the delete icon. So all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to hide or delete your content from YouTube. You'll be able to find two options over here. I want to hide my channel. I want to permanently delete my content. So simply tap on the option I want to permanently delete my content. Now you'll be able to see these informations over here. Simply check on the boxes. Now tap on the option delete my content. Now in order to confirm, what you have to do is type in your email address. So simply type in your email address over here. After that, tap on the option delete my content that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here your content is being deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes but can also take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. After that, your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted. So that is how you permanently delete your YouTube channel from mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.